Hey Austin, what are we gonna draw today?
A zombie from Minecraft.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. We hope you're gonna follow along with us. You got a marker and some paper and
Something to color with.
something to color with. We've drawn a zombie before, but this time we're gonna keep the lesson even easier. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's first draw our zombie's mouth. We're gonna draw an L right here in the middle of our paper. We're gonna draw a short line down and then a longer line across. And this is for the bottom of the rectangle. Then we're gonna draw an upside down L to complete the rectangle. Now let's draw his eyes. We're gonna do another rectangle on the right side and higher. So another L, and then we'll do an upside down L to connect it and complete the rectangle. Then let's do the same thing over here for his left eye. Line down, line across. We want them to be the same size, and then we're gonna do an upside down L. And if we ever go too fast, what can our art friends do?
Pause the video.
Yes, you guys can pause the video, take extra time. Okay, we did it, we finished his face. Now let's draw the shape of his head. We're gonna start over here, and we're gonna draw a line that comes down, over, and then we're gonna come back up on the other side. He's gonna have a giant head. Yeah, and then back up. And then we can draw the top of his head. Let's draw an upside down U-shape, square U-shape. We're just making a big square, a huge square. I love how big his head is, man. It's so awesome. Now let's draw his body. We're gonna draw two lines that come down on each side. So we're gonna draw two lines about that length. Yeah. This is gonna be the coolest zombie ever. And then we're gonna draw a line to connect them down at the bottom. All right, now we have a few more lines to add details to his body. So let's start up here. We're gonna draw his neck first. We're gonna draw two lines that come down for his neck. Yep, and then two short lines coming in. Yeah, and then we're gonna draw another box, or the bottom of a box, down, over, and up to complete his neck. All right, now let's draw the bottom of his shirt. So we're gonna draw a line. It's about halfway across. See, about halfway down. So we'll start about there. And then we're gonna stop before we get to the end. Don't go all the way. Yep, and then we're gonna draw a little step, down, over, and then one more step because his shirt is untucked. Now we have a few more lines. Let's draw one for the bottom of his pants and also his shoes. And then we're gonna draw a line to split his legs. All right, what's our zombie missing?
His arms.
Yeah, he's missing his arms. Right here, we're gonna draw a square. So we're gonna come out, down, and back in. And then let's do the same thing over here. Out, down, back in. Okay, now we're gonna connect him into his body. So we're gonna draw a diagonal line going up and a diagonal line going up over here. Now he's got his arms out like this because he's a zombie, he's gonna attack. So let's draw another line right here for his sleeves. All right, Austin, we did it. We finished our zombie drawings, except we're not completely done. What do we still need to do?
Color it.
Color it, yeah. This part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end, you guys can pause it to match the same color. All right, Austin, we did it. We finished coloring our zombies, and yours turned out so cool. I especially love how big your head is, and it's okay that our two drawings look different, right?
Yeah.
Because they both look awesome, and the most important thing is?
To have fun.
Yeah, to have fun and to
Practice.
practice.
We hope you all have fun drawing your zombies.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.